Welcome to Tempcoder Tech, your destination for sysadmin tips and programming expertise. In this new series, we'll dive into Python programming, starting from the fundamentals and gradually progressing to advanced topics to make you a pro sysadmin. At the end of the video, we will walk through the script that is currently displayed. Basic monitoring script that builds on what we cover in this part of the series. In part 1, we'll lay the foundation for Python programming and explore the basics every sysadmin needs to know. Whether you're managing Windows or Linux systems, Python is a versatile tool in your arsenal. By the end of this video, you'll have a solid grasp of Python's basics, making your sysadmin tasks more efficient. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell, so you don't miss any part of this series. Python is a versatile and easy-to-learn programming language, making it an excellent choice for sysadmins. Let's dive into the fundamental concepts. Installation and environment setup. Python is available for various platforms, Windows, macOS, and Linux. You can download it from the official Python website and install it on your system. Popular Python development environments include Idle, Python's built-in IDE, VS Code, PyCharm, and Jupyter Notebook. In Python, you can write a simple program with just one line of code. For example, print, hello, world. This code uses the print function to display hello, world on the screen. It's the traditional first program in any programming language. Python supports various data types, including integers, floats, strings, lists, and dictionaries. You can declare variables like this. You can get user input using the input function. We do this by declaring a variable name equal to input, which captures the value of the input in the variable name. To display output, use the print function as shown earlier. Python uses if, elif, and else statements for decision-making. Here's an example. If stands for if something is true do this, else stands for do this otherwise. Python supports for and while loops for repetitive tasks. A for loop iterates over a sequence, example for list or string, while a while loop continues as long as a condition is true. Functions are reusable blocks of code. You can define your own functions or use built-in ones. Here's a simple function. You can call this function by passing a name as an argument. These are the core concepts of Python programming. As a sysadmin, Python can be incredibly useful for tasks like automating repetitive operations, managing files, and interacting with system resources. Start with these basics, and you'll be well on your way to becoming a proficient Python sysadmin. Let's go through the first script we showed. We start with import the psutil library, which allows us to monitor system resources like CPU usage. The check CPU usage function checks the CPU usage and compares it to the specified threshold. It uses the psutil.cpu_% function to get the CPU usage percentage over a 1-second interval. The check CPU usage function checks the CPU usage and compares it to the specified threshold. It uses the psutil.cpu_% function to get the CPU usage percentage over a 1-second interval. The main part of the script calls the check_CPU_usage function with your defined threshold, for example 80%. You can change the threshold value to your desired level. When you run this script, it will tell you if the CPU usage is higher or within the specified range. You can customize the threshold to fit your specific monitoring needs. This script can be a useful part of your sysadmin toolkit for keeping an eye on system performance. Feel free to copy and paste this code to get started with Python. Make sure to practice and stay tuned for the next part in our Python for Sysadmin series. If you have any questions or need clarification, leave them in the comments section, and I'll be happy to assist. Thanks for watching.